the laboratory at this time, operating this very large station robotic arm.
You're okay.
Commander Mark Polanski and Julie Payette are inside the shuttle on the flight deck, operating the shuttle's robotic arm in this very well choreographed dance that is going on between these two robotic arms. This is Mission Control Houston, a good view now of the station's robotic arm attached to this exposed facility, being moved ever so slightly toward its final destination on the end of the Kibo laboratory. Two spacewalkers for today, Dave Wolf and Tim Copra, steadily making their way back into the Quest airlock. We're at a elapsed time now of 5 hours, 17 minutes. This exposed facility, which you see there, still attached to the station's robotic arm, awaiting this final few feet as it will be attached to the Kibo laboratory. It actually has 12 different attachment points on it that different experiments can be assembled onto and exposed to the environment of space, where there will be some Earth observations conducted and also some physics and materials research conducted on this once it is installed. The exposed facility itself actually has the passive side of the berthing mechanism, while the Kibo laboratory has what's called the active side. Basically what will happen is once this exposed facility is driven into the Kibo laboratory there you see on the right, there's 4 different attachment points around this large circular ring you see there that are driven by motors. So once the connection is made, those motors will drive the bolts into the exposed facility, which will complete the connection.
Takuba and SSRMS operator on space to ground 2. We have 4 closed capture labs. You can stop SSRMS safing monitoring.
Houston, copy.
Billy, we copy. Stop monitoring of SSRMS safing. Takuba copies.
Once they confirm that everything's in the proper position, they will release the station's arm and back it off.
Station Houston on 2 for robotics.
Go ahead, Aki on 2.
Koichi, we see good tension. We see about 820, as you mentioned, on the ground as well, and that's the tension that we wanted. So at this time, we are good to proceed. In order to do that, we would like you to cancel safing, take the brakes off, and limp all joints, and pick back up with the procedure.
Endeavor, air ground 2.
We're listening, Mark.